This course needs some updating because a lot of things have changed since it was originally made in the software. And it's been basic updates, which are totally normal, but there's some things that have kind of changed the workflows a little bit. So as you're trying to adapt, I'm going to make some videos that will help you to understand how to use the newest and latest versions of the software. Now, the basic principles that I've taught do not change really. There's just little tweaks to your workflow here and there. So I've put in update videos like the new cameras, the physical cameras, things like that, which is kind of one of the bigger changes from older versions of V-Ray. But now I'm going to do a sample project using this model here, and we're going to use the newest stuff. We're going to be in 3ds Max 2017. 2018 has just barely come out, but it is a little too new for me to use yet. It'll have too many bugs. So I'm not going to use that yet, but I have tried it out and there's no major changes as far as 3ds Max goes, except for the render engine, which won't affect us because we're using V-Ray here. So we don't need to worry about the render engine changes because we're using a third-party render engine. For this project, I'm going to take an existing project that I've done for someone, and you can see that it's kind of just a movie set. There's no real structure going on here, but if you get down here and you set up a camera down here, and we'll set up the new physical cameras, you will see that 2 sides of this building are made, and that's really all we need for rendering. And I just have a basic site made. I haven't set up all the landscaping and things yet because that's kind of a course on its own, but I do have the basic site set up, the hardscaping basically. So we're going to concentrate on this model and doing some cool V-Ray lighting with it. Hopefully you'll learn some new things there, and we'll do some cool V-Ray materials with it too.